Okay, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a package and make a publisher and subscriber in it. First, we know that our packages are located inside the workspace and SRC folder. So we need to create our packages inside this directory. If you put the tutorials website on the right hand side, it will be easy for you to follow this tutorial. If you go to create package page, it explains what I'm doing here in a written format as well. So inside our ROS2 workspace in SRC, we are gonna run this command. Open a new terminal. In the home directory, so whatever you do, creating a new folder or a new package will be under your home directory. But what we want is to have it in ROS2 workspace SRC. So cd ROS2 workspace SRC. And I will paste the command in here, which does the following. This is a ROS2 command which creates a package, and the type of the package is the Python package, so its build type is amend Python. You know that it could have been a C++ package, but we are dealing with the Python packages at the moment. And an optional flag we give is, while we are creating the package, we also want to create a node inside the package, which is name is my_package. This is the node name, and in the following I have my package. This is the name of my package. So if I hit enter, you see that the folder with name my package is being generated here. Since I have created a new package, I need to run a colcon build, and to do that I will do cd one directory up, go to the parent directory, which is going to be ROS2 workspace, and I will run colcon build here. So as soon as you hit colcon build, you would like to, because you create a new package, you would like to source your install, setup, and bash. Good. Now I will go to the next